Wanna see you work your body. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
With the boys in the party, everybody put up their hands. I get a half a mil for my feet, you get a couple.
Hello, welcome to my channel, boys. Today we're doing squats and bench. Oh yeah. What do you have to say, mister?
Hello.
Than I thought it would, but it's probably due to heavy fatigue from last session, triceps, so nothing really to worry about. So just need to not absolutely obliterate them on Saturday so I can actually do something on Monday. So lesson learned, don't absolutely obliterate your triceps before going for like a 2 rep one whatever, but learn my lesson, but to get back to the grind. What do we think of Captain Pilstein?
Welcome to Earth.
Look at that nose.
Damn.
Look at that tash.
Damn.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Pilstein. Oh yeah. Look at it. Okay. Well, that certainly was a session. So, just 8. But yeah, session was okay. Squats felt actually quite good for once. Bench was off because my triceps were like, nah. They're Bluetooth disconnected and it just was like. But yeah, good news is I learned not to absolutely fuck my triceps before trying to do bench. So that's something. But squats felt actually quite good this time. So that's at least a positive. And yeah, the workout was okay. Everything felt fine, other than triceps, of course. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed and love my sleep. Because sleep is important. Remember that, children. Anyway, goodbye. And like and subscribe.